Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. The topic of today's video is slicing. Okay, what is slicing? Slicing can return a range of my string characters. So how to do in slicing? To slice a string, we write start index and end index separated by a colon. Take care that we already know string index start with 0. So I'm writing a string hello. Yeah, I want to slice this string. I want to print only this thing word. So what will I do? I will make slice from where 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 6 to 11. So to do this I will write print to show the output, and now I will write string name, variable name. I will write the brackets and 6 to 11. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so we didn't run this one, and now I will run this. So you can see word has been printed. So take care one more thing, this 6 will be included and this 11 will not be included in our slice. This will excluded from the output. Okay, so this is how we do slicing, and I want to print only ELLO. So what will I do? I will slide index. I will start index from 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I will write print, and now I will write my variable name and 1 2 6. You can see ELLO has been printed in my screen. Okay, so now our next topic is slicing from the start. To start slicing and from start, we just what we do, we just leave our start index, and it will print from start if we leave this one. For example, I'm taking this string only. So what will I do? I will print only till here. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. I will uh, get here hello. So what will I do? I will write print to show the output. I will write my variable name. Now I will just leave my starting index and do this till 6. So you can see hello has been printed in my screen. Okay, so if I want to print my all the string, so what will I do? Simply I will sorry do this 6, 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14th index. Okay, so 14, now it's 13. It's 12. What happening? Starting index out of range. Oh, we are doing this thing. We are missing that colon. Not here. Okay, so we have printed hello world on the screen. Okay, so to slice to the end, we just leave our end index and we write our first index in this. Okay, so I want to print from 0 to till end, so we just leave our uh, final index. So yeah, for now I am only printing word. So what will I do? 2 3 4 5 6. I will print from 6 index, and now I will do this. I will leave the end index. So word has is printed with one space, I guess. No. Okay, so this is how we do slice in the end. So one more thing, if we leave both the index, so our full the return will be our full string, whole string. So We can try this here, print f, and yeah, I will leave all the index and I will run this. So our whole string has been printed on the screen. So this is how my slicing works. And now I will see we will see a negative indexing. Negative indexing start from last, and the last index is -1, and this is -2, and this is -3, and so on. Okay, so to check this, I want to print -1, index -1. So you can see I got this exclamation mark as our last index. Okay, so indexing, I will do slicing from the last. So what we'll do, I do not make like -1 to 1 and -1 to -3. We just what we need to, we will print from left to right. So what will I do, I will simply -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -6, -6 to -1. So I will write like this. So print f -6 to -1. You can see word has been printed. Yeah, I can leave this too. The same word has been printed as the last one. Okay, so if I will do this f, and now I will print from -1 to someone -6, -1 to -6. So you can see it didn't showing any output, but it's not giving me error too. So this is not good in Python indexing. So what we'll do here, the number in the first should be less than greater than the other one, the second one in negative indexing, because -6 is less than -1, so we can't do this. Okay, so if what will happen if I do one positive index and one negative index? So yeah, it can work properly because we're starting from here. We're starting from here, not here. From E and till the end. So this is printed. Okay, so what will happen if I print from the index which is -6, and the other index is of my 13. Okay, yeah, we can say that -1 to 1, for example. So this is the same case we discussed earlier. This should not print anything because he's starting from here, okay, ending here. So if we are moving from or right to left, this is not showing any output. So this is all thing for this video, and this thing we discussed in yesterday video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.